Anyone have an elephant who needs to visit the dentist? Anyone? Well, I guess elephant toothpaste I made with Dr. Foos will go to waste, but at least I learned something. Dr. Foos is a chemistry professor from Ohio State University. He does a lot of experiments that you can see on YouTube online. They're actually pretty cool, so I was excited that he was able to stop by and tell me a little bit about chemistry and chemical reactions. Take a look.
The chargers and the batteries that we have in our smartphones, they keep getting better and better, lighter. The lithium ions in those batteries, the gasoline that powers your car. Looking at freezing water, we're starting to go into winter now. So what are the phase changes? When is it cold enough for it to snow versus rain? All of that is chemistry. It's all around us in every aspect of our life.
And I've seen some of your experiments on YouTube. What are a couple of your favorites?
So the chemical reactions that I like, we do a methane combustion where we take methane gas and ignite it. There's a zinc sulfide reaction that's kind of cool, and then an ammonium dichromate volcano, we call it.
So have you ever accidentally blown anything up?
No, I have not. So.
Not yet? Are we going to do that today?
Possibly, we'll see.
So tell me a little bit about chemical reactions and what we're going to do today.
So today's reaction, we're going to look at, the common name is called elephant toothpaste. So, and you'll see why here in a second. But whenever you have a chemical reaction, oftentimes if we mix the right chemicals together, we can either absorb heat or produce heat. And one of the reactions we'll do today is going to produce heat, and it's going to produce oxygen gas, and we'll kind of see what this toothpaste will look like.
All right, well, safety first.
Absolutely. So get our goggles on here. Since I'm handling the hydrogen peroxide, I'm going to use gloves.
Okay.
I'm going to have this hydrogen peroxide here, and then once I dump it in the flask, we'll add potassium iodide to that. So I'll take this hydrogen peroxide. We're going to add this into the flask, and then what we'll do is we'll take the potassium iodide here and we'll see what type of chemical reaction we can get. And again, if we put the right chemicals together in the right mixture, we can get some cool, neat reactions. So let's see what happens here.
Wow.
And as you can see, it's starting to steam here, and if you put your hands near it, you can feel the heat, right? So any reaction that releases heat, we call an exothermic reaction. We put dish soap in the hydrogen peroxide solution, and you know, dish soap is made to bubble, right? You see that when you put it in water to wash dishes. But in this reaction, oxygen gas is produced. So when that gas is produced, it kind of, you know, rapidly accelerates the bubbles that are produced, and we get a neat little reaction like this. And they named this elephant toothpaste because it kind of looks like big enough toothpaste for an elephant.
For an elephant.
That's right.